Hey, morning to you guys. Just something that just came to mind that I feel like I should share with anyone that is interested in a tester, or anyone that might be a tester already, and they might need to hear this because this will be helpful to them as well. Um, for those that don't know me, obviously I've been in industry for over 15 years, and I'm also a trainer. So this is obviously coming from a place of experience. So yeah. So basically, what I'd like to share today are some of the things that you should know as a tester. Because sometimes as a tester, you might not get things to go your way, but your perseverance will pull you through. So the first thing really is, if you raise 5 bugs, for example, 5 defects, just have a belief that at least from that 5 defects, 2 will be rejected. Sometimes not because they're not genuine defects. It could be that, first of all, they're not reproducible, which probably means that the steps to recreate those defects are not clear enough, or you might be missing certain information to create those defects. Secondly, it might be because they're false positive errors. So which basically means false positive means that something that looks wrong to you but is actually right. It actually works as expected. Okay, so such defects will get rejected. And then thirdly, it might be that the defect itself might not be related to the specific project that you're working on, or the specific update of the software you're working on. So it might be deferred. Okay, so what I'm saying in those scenarios, I would say don't get put off. If it's rejected, you have to go back and review the test reports and make sure that you've covered everything on there. Try and make sure that whatever you raise is clear and you yourself can reproduce it, and don't get put off by it. Okay. And then secondly, sometimes even though you've worked on a piece of project, you've completed all your tests, you feel like you're comfortable and confident with the work you've done, sometimes errors are found in the live environment. Okay, so those things that you've worked on that you feel like, yeah, I smashed it, I covered all the scenarios, sometimes it will come back, and you might get asked as a tester that, oh no, why have you missed this error, why do you miss that defect? It does happen. And guess what, the developers are always quick to blame, or the company in general are always quick to blame the tester, because they'll be like, well, you missed that defect, why has that happened? So such happens. Okay, and when that happens, just relax, keep calm, don't get put off, own up to it, and then go back and review what you've done. And that's why retrospective sessions is important. It helps us as a tester to improve on our processes and help us to be more efficient at what we do. So if that does happen to you, which has happened to me a few times, and I'm sure other testers can confirm the same, just be calm, go back and review your test, make sure that next time you have better test coverage and you're happy with the level of work you've done. Okay, these are just a piece of advice I'd like to give you guys, so I hope you learn from this. And if you haven't already, please join the community. Let's keep growing. I appreciate you all. Thanks for your time. And for those of you that are interested in software testing training, foundation level, or materials for the ISTQB, please hit me up, send me a DM, and I'll get back to you. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye for now.